Hello everyone, welcome in today's session. We have to evaluate this integral of sine of root x divided by root x, integral with respect to x. Solution for this: first of all, we have to use substitution. Put square root of x is equal to t. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Hence, derivative of square root of x with respect to x is equal to derivative of t with respect to x. Derivative of square root of x is 1 upon 2 into square root of x is equal to derivative of t with respect to x. Now take this dx on this side and this 2 on this side. Hence this can be written as 1 upon square root of x into dx is equal to 2 dt. Hence integral I is equal to integral of sine of square root of x into dx divided by square root of x. This can be written as square root of x we have to replace by t. Integral of sine t and dx upon root x is 2 dt. 2 dt. So taking 2 outside this integral sign, I is equal to 2 into integral of sine t with respect to t. And since we know integral of sine x, integral with respect to x is minus cos x. Hence, this is equal to 2 times integral of sine t is minus cos t, and this is indefinite integral, so we have to add integral constant c. Hence, I is equal to minus of 2 cos t plus integral constant c. This is value of given integral, but original variable is x, so we have to replace t by our assumption t is equal to square root of x. Hence I is equal to minus 2 into cosine of square root of x plus integral constant c, and this is final answer, which is value of given integral.